Good students, today I will teach you about uses of heat. Uses of heat. Before it, I have taught you about heat and sources of heat in serial number 1. But today I will teach you in serial number 2 uses of heat. Okay? Heat is useful for different activities. As heat is useful for cooking food. Heat is useful for cooking food. Second, heat is useful for warm water. Okay, and it is useful for drying cloth. Okay, drying cloth. And heat is useful for warm animals and plants. Okay, and heat is useful for in solar plant to produce electricity. Okay, etc. uses of heat. Okay, then after this we will read about or we will teach about how heat move from one place to other place or one object to other object. Okay, now transfer of heat from one object to other object. to other object. Transfer of heat from one object to other object. Okay? You know that heat transfer, heat flow from hotter to colder. Heat flow from hotter object to colder object. Okay? In this case, heat flow from hotter place to colder place, or hotter place to colder place. Okay? One place to other place, to move of heat from one place to other place, there is need of a medium. If medium is not, then heat not move from one place to other place. Therefore, medium is very important to move of heat from one place to other place. Okay? Heat flow between two objects. If two objects have same temperature, then heat does not flow from one object to other object. Okay? But temperature is not same, but two objects have not same temperature, In this case, heat flow from hotter object to colder objects. Okay? And you know that heat, there is very need to very need of medium for heat to move from one place to other place. Okay, if the both objects have same temperature, then heat not flow, because both are same temperature. Therefore heat does not flow from one place to other place. If the temperatures have different of the objects, then heat flow from hotter to colder objects. Okay, and heat is very need. There is very need of medium for heat to move from one place to other place. If medium is not between two objects, then heat not flow. Heat does not flow in vacuum. Heat does not flow vacuum. You know that thermos bottle and glass bottle, which are insulator. In insulator, heat not flow from one end to other end, because insulators layer, between the insulators layer is found vacuum. Therefore heat not flow from one place to other place cause of vacuum. Okay, therefore you know that insulator in insulator heat does not flow because vacuum is found, between layer of the insulator. Therefore heat not flow in insulator. And you know that thermos bottle is also a work as a insulator, and glass is also a good insulator. And glass and plastic type bottles both are insulators, in which glass is better insulator than a plastic insulator. Then prevent of heat, we make insulator types bottle as thermos and glass bottle. So these types of the use of the insulator in thermos bottle or glass bottle, because glass and plastic both are good insulator. Okay, after this we know about now temperature. Before it I tell about heat, that heat is a form of energy that make objects hot, but temperature tell us how an object is hot and cold. Temperature tell us how an object is hot and cold. The unit of temperature, the unit of temperature is degree. Okay, temperature is measured in degree, and many instruments of temperatures as degree Fahrenheit, Kelvin and Celsius. These are the instruments by which we measure the temperature. Okay, in as Celsius, Kelvin and Fahrenheit. And the temperature of human body temperature is 37 degrees centigrade. Human body temperature and in degree Celsius, but Fahrenheit 98.6 degree Fahrenheit. Human body temperature. Okay, after this next topic I will teach you tomorrow. Okay student, thank all of you.